welcome to the first quarter first grade assembly. We are going to honor students in the area of reading, writing, and math. So we are going to start with reading, and Mrs. Johnson is going to read those names to us.
Okay, in Mr. Babcock's class, we have Da and Gustavo. In Mrs. Boomsma's class, we have Julian and Curtis. In Mrs. Brooks's classroom, we have Oliver and Brianna. In Mrs. Chase's classroom, we have Jaden and Corbin. In Miss Crater's classroom, we have Freya and Corrigan. In Mrs. Johnson's classroom, we have Savannah and Bella. In Mrs. Corco's classroom, we have Easton and Berkeley. In Mrs. Small's classroom, we have Holly and Emerson. In Mrs. Ovalsted's classroom, we have Shashi and Julia. And in Mrs. White's classroom, we have Silas and Tucker. Congratulations, guys.
Woo! Congratulations, you guys. Way to work. Very proud of you. We are now going to move into our math awards, and Mrs. White is going to give those out.
In Mr. Babcock's class, Kendra and Dexter. In Mrs. Boomsma's room, Brennan and Robert. In Mrs. Brooks' room, Alakai and Sarah. In Mrs. Chase's classroom, Grace and Milady. In Miss Crater's room, Catherine and Dallas. In Mrs. Johnson's room, Tarnay and Rose. In Mrs. Corco's room, Sungold and Grady. In Mrs. Small's room, Diva and Randy. In Mrs. Ulvestad's room, Alina and Adamaris. And in Miss White's room, Gabriel and Blatze.
Congratulations, guys. Good job. Woo! All right, now we're going to move into our writing awards, and Miss Crater is going to read those to us.
All right, in Mr. Babcock's room, we have Anna and Marinik. In Mrs. Boomsma's room, we have Olivia and Ellie. In Mrs. Brooks' room, we have Ryden and Luxana. In Mrs. Chase's room, we've got Johnny and Catherine. And in my class, Ilda and Griselda. In Mrs. Johnson's room, we've got Miangeli and Chris. In Mrs. Corco's room, we have Kellen and July. In Mrs. Small's room, we have Ella and Destiny. In Mrs. Olvestad's room, we have Shui and Tony. And Miss White's room, we have Emma and Adeline.
Woo! Good job, guys. Way to work this first quarter. Now we're going to move into our Hug Awards, and we are going to have Mrs. Boomsma explain those to us.
In first grade, we give out Hugs cards that look like this. HUG stands for helping others, using nice manners, good citizenship, and staying safe. When we see students doing one of those good behaviors, they can earn a Hugs card. Classrooms with 25 Hugs cards are Mr. Babcock, Mrs. Corco, and Ms. White. And with 50 Hugs cards is Mrs. Chase class.
Great job, boys and girls. I am so proud of all the hard work that you've done this first quarter. It has not been easy. I also would like to say thank you to all the teachers for all their hard work. And so at this time, you will be getting a certificate and a trophy to take home. So great job. Keep up the good work. Bye, everybody. Good job.
Good job, guys.
Good job, first graders.
Way to go.